What are you doing? We're trying to cook some crackhead.
We're warming up this cylinder head to, what are we trying to do? Fix the cracked cylinder head.
We're gonna braise it.
Yeah, we're gonna braise the cylinder head.
I'm gonna heat
It's
it up.
cracked right there where it's ground out.
But first, you gotta preheat your crackhead before you eat it. I mean, braise it.
Preheat your crackhead, remember that, kids.
Yeah. Hey, Grandpa, what's for supper?
Filet in John.
Preheated toast.
My shushing stick.
Sure.
All right, which one of these is yours, Josh?
The one on
The big one. All right, honey. Roll mine.
Okay, this is preheated.
I ain't used to having so many. Oh, yours is so aggressive.
Do not try this at home.
I'm not gonna try it anymore.
Apparently I don't like
Back
something
up.
there.
Ryder. Back up. This seems
That's just look.
Especially when they hold my rocker there.
this seems not safe.
You're right, Mom.
I know I'm always right. It's a superpower.
He has the power of
We're gonna get it hot enough for these torches.
I hope so.
Yeah, acetylene torch.
I got a propane stove over there, I think. I don't know if it's got any juice in it. Here, let me see yours.
Whoa, you are just willy-nilly wagging that around your stuff.
Here, hold it up.
Okay.
And this is doing
We're heating up Josh's crack so we can fill it in with my rod.
That sounds terrible.
It was supposed to.
It looks like toast.
With this aluminum cast rod here.
oh my gosh, it's right there.
It's right there.
Or tell Mommy, doesn't it look like toast burnt?
Help, fella. And I want to see it flowing.
Oh, it's getting smoky in here.
I'm just gonna get
Might have to time lapse this.
Yeah, safety first.
Yeah.
You think we need to do anything to the other side?
No, I'm hoping that it gets in there.
Fills it in.
Should fill it in. That's why I cut that trench in there.
Yeah.
I don't like you waving that around, sir.
The warmest seat in the house.
Ryder, give me that drop cord right there. Yeah, that one. Give me the end of it. Oh, some shit's about to go down now.
I don't think this is a good
Oh,
idea.
yeah.
We're making a forge.
Oh, I am. We're gonna forge it up.
There you go, Daddy. Okay, get back.
Yeah, everybody's staying clear except for me and Josh.
Back up, Rowan.
Oh!
Back up.
Oh, jeez! That's not good. Okay,
Rowan.
melty, don't it? Like a
It
super.
looks like a blacksmith.
You're melting it.
Nah.
Oh, oh God.
Just the bottom glowing?
I can't tell.
Look, it looks like it's glowing. It's glowing.
Watch out.
Who let me grill?
Let her season for a minute.
That poor grill.
Oh, that handle's gonna be hard to grab.
Why did you do that? Yeah, just blow it. See if that.
Oh, jeez.
All it did was add air to the fire.
Grill.
She's like a supercharger.
That is really.
Oh, sir.
Oh, is it laying right in there?
Oh, it's laying in there.
Son, what you talking about?
Shit. Like I knew what I was doing. Ryder, go get that flashlight so I can see what I'm doing. All right, Josh. Use one of those spare hands you got.
I got two of them. Son, that thing laid right in there. Stacking dimes.
Oh, that's hot. My hand's starting to feel crunchy.
Oh, you ain't gotta worry about that.
We'll get it because it ain't doing it. All right.
Well, my head is dusted.
Sir.
I'm gonna lose my beard.
You better not.
Lose all my manliness. Get up on there. Look at that. Look at that.
Sexy.
There you go.
That'll work.
Sexy. That is melting.
That's what we're fixing right there. That had a big crack in it. Zoom on in there.
Nah.
No. No. All right, Josh.
All right.
I think we take and we cut these vents off,
Yeah. Check it out.
choke it out, and just let it cool nice and slow.
You want to look at it from the other side? See if it flowed through?
Just pick it up and we'll look at it.
Okay.
No. Don't bring your hands up.
The other side's glowing. Nope. Solder run.
Boys,
like it
I think you
grows
should
in.
back up.
Yeah.
Does that look stable to you?
No.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, the solder run.
It's probably super hot.
It's not
really
cooling
hot.
off.
It's super hot. My fan and cool.
It should hold 75 psi compression.
You want to get fancy? We fill in this dish right here. High compression this mug up.
Yeah, it's high compression and on one cylinder.
Nah, we'll do both of them. We gotta keep it even.
Yeah. Thing.
I'd say we just let it cool off right there.
Yeah. Just close
And
it
I
out.
hope as it cools off, it'll suck in there.
It should.
Put your engine on simmer
Yep.
for about 2 hours.
Now you let your crack head sit and cool down so it doesn't crack again, I guess.
You gotta let it rest for 5 minutes after you're done.
Yeah.
5 minutes.
So it's good and tender.
Tender, juicy.
Taco.
My face is hot.
Mine is too. It's like I might have to go home and trim that a little bit. A little crispy on
Just
the
knock the
edges.
edges off right there.
Yeah.